Our clients age or become more successful, or both. The topic of estate planning arises time and time again. Estate plans can include gifts, wills, and trusts, and they're definitely not static exercises that you put in a drawer. For example, we have many clients who file gift tax returns on an annual basis to document the gifts that they make to their children and their grandchildren, whether or not the filing is required and whether or not there's a tax due. They like these gifts to be on the record. That is, they show a pattern of giving so the IRS does not then come back later and include these gifts in their estates. What these gifts do is simultaneously reduce the estate and allow the donors to give the kids or the grandkids something to use while the donors are still alive, and can watch them enjoy the benefits of the gift, whatever it may be. Living trusts, dynasty trusts, annuity trusts, and charitable trusts are all part of a well-developed estate plan, and they all depend on the donor's intent, the donor's biases, and what he or she perceives to be necessary for family success. There's a whole array of variety that you can put into these kinds of trusts. We always recommend consulting with an estate attorney when you're trying to develop these kinds of plans, because it becomes complex very quickly and it requires an advisor who really knows what they're talking about. We also often have to correct misinformation that people develop. They think, for example, that if they have a living trust, they don't have an estate and they don't need a will. And this is not true. If you own anything in your own name, and if you have any assets in your pockets at this moment, then you own something in your own name. You do need a will to let people know how to dispose of your assets. So, you need a plan. Your family needs to know to whom they should go and what they should bring along. We help our clients work these questions out in their own minds, and we try to make sure that they have a full advisory team and they're making good use of the advisors that they choose. If you would like help with any of these topics, please give us a call and we'll be glad to discuss this important part of your life planning that goes way beyond income tax.